In this video, I will show you how to link your X account to Binance. First of all, open the Binance application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You will see the Binance icon there. Tap on it to open your account menu. On the next screen, look for your Binance nickname displayed at the top. Tap on it. Account info screen will appear. You will see the X, formerly known as Twitter, listed there. Tap on the X option to proceed. A confirmation screen will appear containing several terms and conditions. Tick the checkbox next to the option that says I understand, agree, and consent to the terms above, and tap on the Connect Account option available at the bottom. You will be then prompted to log in to your X account. Tap on the Sign In button. Enter your X account credentials carefully to access your account. Once logged in, an option of Authorize app will appear. Tap on it to allow Binance to get linked to your X account. This step is necessary to allow Binance to verify your social media presence. Once the authorization is complete, a pop-up will appear telling you that the account has successfully linked. Tap on OK. To make sure everything is working correctly, go back to your account info section on Binance. Under social accounts, you should now see your X account listed as connected. And this is how you can link your X account to Binance.